Alright, here is some examples for Chapter 3, Lesson 5 on arithmetic sequences of linear equations. Okay, so determine whether each sequence is an arithmetic sequence. First of all, you find out if there is a common difference between the terms. So this is a term, and this is a term, and this is a term, and so on and so forth. The common difference is subtract them and find out if they have, subtract them and see if they have the same difference. So -4 minus a -2 is -2, okay? And then -2 minus 0 is -2, then 0 minus 2 is -2, and so forth. So obviously it looks like there's a common difference. So yes, this is a sequence, okay, an arithmetic sequence, I should say, okay? You do the same thing with the next one. These are fractions, so in order to find the difference, you would have to subtract. They have to have a common denominator. So they all these numbers go into 16. So I'm going to multiply this by 8, so this would be 8 sixteenths, and multiply this one by 2, and this one's going to be 10 sixteenths. Multiply this one by 4, and this one's going to be 12 sixteenths, okay, and then 13 sixteenths. So now, is there a common difference? 8 minus 10 is 2 sixteenths. 10 minus 12 is, or I should say the other way around, 10 minus 8 is 2. 12 minus 10 is 2 sixteenths. 13 minus 12 is 1 16th. So is there a common difference here? No. Okay, and I did this backwards up here too. It should be -2 minus -4, which is +2, and then 2, and then 2. So yes, it is. Alright, because you want to find the common difference between the two. Okay, find the next 3 terms of the arithmetic sequence. Okay, so you find the common difference. 9 minus 15 is negative, okay, 9 minus 15 is -6, 3 minus 9 is -6, -3 minus 3 is -6. Okay, so the common difference is -6, you write it as D is -6. Okay, that's what the common difference is. Okay, so now write an equation for the nth term of the arithmetic sequence. In order to do that, you have to find the common difference, okay? So you're going to go -8 minus 12 is, minus a -12, excuse me, is 4. -4 minus a -8 is 4. 0 minus 4 is 4, okay? So that is the common difference. Now our equation for arithmetic sequence is t nth term equals the common difference times the term plus whatever, okay? So this is not really like true. Okay, so let's just use x's and y's. Write an equation for the nth term. So let's use y equals the common difference times x. Okay. So y equals the common difference of 4 times x. Okay, x meaning the number of term. Okay. This is the first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. Okay, so now we check it to see if it works. Okay, the term is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. That didn't give us -12. Okay, so what plus or minus at 4 is equal to -12? Okay, so it's 4 minus 16. So in this term, it's 4x minus 16 is our equation for this thing. You're going to have to find the common difference, okay, and then you figure out if that works for the first term. Okay, and in this case it didn't, so you had to add or subtract something to get that equation to work. Okay, and in this case our x is the number of term. That's a key part here, and the number of term, this is the first term, this is the second term, and so on and so forth. Okay, find the 9th term of our sequence. Well, now we can use our equation that we just got here, and remember x is the number of terms, so I'm going to go 4 times 9 minus 16. So this is 36 minus 16. So our 9th term is, or yn, or whatever, is going to be 20. So if we were to go out 9 times, it would be 20. Okay, graph the first 5 terms of the sequence. Okay, so the first 5. So we have -12, our term. Oh,